This is the other A elevator at Allegheny General Hospital in Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I believe this was originally an old Dover, but was modernized by GAL RWB sometime. Probably in the 90s. That's the original lantern. Down to O2. Here we go down. 2-speed door. That's where the old indicator was. I think this is a Dover. Here to O2. Oh, one's burned out. This is radiology. We'll go back up to 1. Door closing, you press the button. General elevator. Non-ADA phone. Basic and nice cab. I think they redid these panels at some point. The original lantern there. Back at 1. And modernized in the 90s, I think. I think that's an Epico along. If you look closely, actually, no. There we go, now it's lighting up. It's a very tall elevator. I have a feeling this may have originally just been a service elevator, but they may have converted to public use at some point. How close to that's going to be at